So, hi dear Aquarius, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16 till the 22nd of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Now, if you want like to learn from me and you want to learn like the workshops or any kind of consultation or one-on-one healing sessions, you can check out the website. The link is given in the description box, and you can like do the needful. Okay, and or you can mail me for the same if it is not possible for you to do it via the website. Let's see, Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. Queen of Swords. Someone is feeling like left out in the cold, and that is why they feel like they should try to detach from the situation and remain cold and off in this direction in the situation. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here. We have the Tower and the Four of Cups and the Ten of Wands. Yeah. Someone is utterly disappointed by the way things are going in the situation, and they feel like dropping the situation and detaching from the situation completely. Someone is getting bitter here rather than like understanding what is going on and why this is happening. Someone is getting bitter and bitter with each passing day, and they feel like you did something really wrong with them, and them dropping this connection is not their fault, it's yours only. Because of you, they had to do something that that they never wanted to do, and now it's a disaster. Emotional damage, emotional disaster. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aquarius? Let's see. Queen of Wands. You, however, is super focused on your individual growth, success, and creating your own reality. You are in this energy of, okay, let me manifest my dream life and let me work on myself. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands. We have the Five of Swords, the Strength card, and the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, see, because it's not about ego hurt, it's about self-respect and self-worth. You feel like you are not getting what you want from this connection from a very long time. It's happening for some of you, it's been 5 years, and you feel like now you should take a step back from this situation and balance your own energies, balance your own life, find a balance, find a peaceful kind of energy within yourself, and work on yourself religiously till the end of your life. This is your goal now, right? Not this imbalanced kind of situation, not this on and off game, not this ego battle. It's like you getting to know your own self-worth and working on yourself religiously is your goal right now. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you, Aquarius. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Five of Swords. Their intention is to play certain kind of mind games here. Their intention is to come out of this situation and be free. But at the same time, they want to play some kind of mind games in order to get some kind of reaction or reaction from your side. Let me clarify the Five of Swords here. We have the Five of Cups, the Page of Swords, the Magician. Yeah. They want to manipulate your energy in order to cause you the same kind of pain that you caused them, and they want you to go through the same kind of pain and same kind of like feelings that you put them through. So basically, it's a big time victim mode kind of energy where someone is continuously blaming you for whatever happened, and they definitely want you to go through the same kind of pain so that you can also understand what you have put them through, and now you should also suffer the way they are suffering, because this is the justice here, this is the right thing. And they definitely want to manipulate your energies in some way so that you are going to act or react in some way, and they are going to be like, okay, they are going to find another chance to blame on you, like, see, I told you, I knew you are going to react like this, or you are going to behave like this. Wow. Basically, not trying to heal themselves and move on, just trying to like let you down in some way so that they can get some kind of happiness out of that. That's so childish. So from your side, you just want to keep yourself protected, you just want to keep yourself in this like energy bubble, and you don't want to come out of that bubble until unless you are ready to face the challenge and face the truth of the situation. Let's clarify the Seven of Wands. You are in this energy of, I know Whatever happened happened, I can't change it, but I know I just have to protect myself from being hurt again, from being used again, from being confused again, right? See, you want to keep your options open, not only in love and relationship area. In every area of your life, you want to explore your life to the fullest. You just want to be happy, and you just want to keep yourself protected from everything and everyone that's not aligning with your energies anymore. It's not a game for you anymore. It's a game of it's like not a fun game for you anymore to hurt anybody, to get hurt anymore. It's like a game for you, life changing game for you, to focus on yourself and focus on your own happiness, individual growth and success, and working on yourself religiously. Like, it's your goal now to work on yourself in every area of your life. Wow, that's really cool. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December, Aquarius. Nine of Cups, a wish fulfillment, happiness. A wish fulfillment is on the cards for you guys. You are going to be quite happy with whatever is coming towards you. Let's see, let's clarify the Nine of Cups. This jealous person that's around your energies is not happy about it. I do see someone coming towards you with a clear cut proposal of, I want to be with you, Aquarius. Can we start fresh? Can we have a brand new beginning in this direction? I do see this is a completely new person, new energy coming towards you, because they are going to be very much attracted to the idea of being like you. You are going to be super focused on yourself. You are going to be detached from the outcome in every area of your life, and boom, some kind of wish fulfillment is on the cards for you guys, from the person, from the kind of person that you are going to be least expecting it from. This is a new person, new energy going to enter in your life with the clear cut understanding of, Aquarius, I want to be with you for the long term. Can we start to know each other better, and can we be with each other? Now what you're going to do about it, it's completely up to you. Much younger person than you, and or somebody who's very enthusiastic, very much creative, very much in this energy of, let's do this, let's do that, let's do this, is coming towards you with a proposal of, with a life changing proposal of, okay, can we be together? Aquarius, somebody new is going to enter in your life very very soon with a very good proposal on the table, and it is some kind of wish fulfillment for you guys. Now it's completely up to you what you're going to do about it. It could be you going towards somebody with a total understanding and total clarity of, see, I want to be with you, I'm quite attracted to the idea of being with you, can we be together, and can we work on this, can we see a long term with each other? But whatever it is a wish fulfillment on the cards for you guys in the coming future. That's really cool. Guidance for you guys here. Two of Pentacles. Okay, if you are going to have any doubt about the future direction of a situation that you are going to get involved in, take a step back, re-evaluate the situation, understand each and every pros and cons and positives and negatives and dark and gray and every area of that situation, that person, that connection, and then only move forward. Ultimate clarity, ultimate understanding, and ultimate goal should be like clear in your like focus, in your mind, in your heart and soul. Then only move forward. If you are not sure, take a time, like take a step back and take your time. There should not be any kind of rush or hurry or that kind of energy of, okay, just do it for the sake of doing it. No, take your time. Yeah, because this is something that's going to change your life, right? It's not a video game, it's your life, so take it seriously in that manner. No, life is not to be taken seriously, but the people, the situation that should be there in your life should be taken seriously, quite seriously. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.